Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. In today's lesson, we will practice how to speak English confidently in daily life situations, such as talking to friends, speaking at work, expressing opinions, making small talk, and handling real-life conversations without fear. This lesson is designed to help you build confidence, speak clearly, and express yourself naturally in English. To stay updated with our latest English conversation lessons, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Now, let's get started and learn how to speak English confidently in everyday situations.
Hi, Daniel. You always sound confident when you speak English. How did you learn to speak so clearly?
Thank you, Emma. I practiced speaking every day, even when I made mistakes, and I focused more on communication than perfection.
I often feel nervous when I speak English in front of others.
That's normal, but confidence comes when you accept mistakes as part of learning and keep speaking anyway.
Do you think confidence is more important than grammar?
Yes, because people understand your message even if your grammar is not perfect, as long as you speak clearly and confidently.
How can I stop feeling afraid of making mistakes?
You should remember that mistakes help you improve, and most people respect effort more than accuracy.
I usually stay quiet in group conversations.
You can start by sharing short opinions, and slowly you'll feel more comfortable speaking longer.
What helped you the most in building confidence?
Speaking out loud every day, even when I was alone, helped me feel natural and relaxed.
Sometimes I know the words but can't speak quickly.
That happens when you think too much, so try to focus on ideas instead of perfect sentences.
Do you practice speaking with native speakers?
Yes, but I also practice with learners, because confidence grows with regular conversation.
I feel embarrassed when my pronunciation is not good.
Pronunciation improves with time, but confidence improves when you keep speaking without fear.
How can I sound more confident while speaking?
Speak slowly, clearly, and don't rush your words, because calm speech sounds confident.
I want to speak English confidently at work meetings.
You can prepare simple points in advance and practice saying them out loud.
I worry people will judge my English.
Most people focus on your message, not your mistakes, so trust yourself.
How do I build confidence in daily conversations?
Practice small talk every day, like greeting people and asking simple questions.
Sometimes my mind goes blank when speaking.
Take a deep breath and continue slowly. Pauses are completely normal.
Is it okay to repeat myself when I'm not clear?
Yes, repeating your idea calmly shows confidence, not weakness.
How long did it take you to feel confident?
It took time, but daily practice made a big difference.
Should I memorize sentences?
It's better to understand ideas and express them naturally.
I feel confident when speaking alone, but not with others.
That's common, but real confidence grows through real conversations.
What should I do when I don't know a word?
Explain the idea using simple words instead of stopping.
Does confidence come from vocabulary?
Confidence comes from practice, not just knowing words.
I want to speak English confidently while traveling.
Practice common travel conversations and speak whenever possible.
I'm afraid people won't understand my accent.
Accents are natural, and clear communication matters more.
How can I practice every day?
Talk to yourself, describe your day, and practice daily situations.
Is speaking slowly a bad habit?
No, speaking slowly helps you sound confident and clear.
I hesitate before speaking.
Try starting sentences confidently, even if they are simple.
Can confidence improve listening skills too?
Yes, confident speakers listen better and respond naturally.
How do I speak confidently on the phone?
Smile while speaking, because it changes your tone positively.
I avoid conversations because of fear.
Facing fear gradually helps build strong confidence.
Should I correct myself while speaking?
Correct yourself only if needed, otherwise, keep speaking.
What mindset helps the most?
Believe that communication is more important than perfection.
I feel confident reading but not speaking.
Reading helps vocabulary, but speaking builds confidence.
How do I express opinions confidently?
Use simple phrases like "I think" or "in my opinion."
I feel nervous speaking to strangers.
Start with polite greetings and simple questions.
How do I sound natural?
Speak naturally without forcing difficult words.
Can confidence change how people see me?
Yes, confident speakers leave a strong positive impression. I want to speak confidently in interviews. Practice answering common questions out loud.
Is confidence learned or natural?
Confidence is learned through practice and experience.
I feel shy speaking English in public.
Shyness decreases when confidence increases with practice.
How do I respond quickly?
Practice common responses and trust your instincts.
Does confidence help fluency?
Yes, confidence allows your words to flow naturally.
I want to speak English confidently with friends.
Relax and enjoy the conversation without pressure.
How do I stay calm while speaking?
Focus on breathing and speaking slowly.
I'm afraid of silence in conversations.
Silence is normal and gives you time to think.
How do I build confidence step by step?
Practice daily and challenge yourself gently.
Should I record my voice?
Yes, listening to yourself improves confidence.
I compare myself to fluent speakers.
Focus on your progress, not comparisons.
Can confidence improve pronunciation?
Yes, relaxed speakers pronounce better naturally.
How do I speak confidently under pressure?
Prepare, breathe, and focus on your message.
What if people correct me?
Accept corrections positively and continue speaking.
Does smiling help while speaking?
Yes, smiling makes your voice sound friendly and confident.
How can I speak confidently every day?
Make speaking English a daily habit.
Is confidence related to body language?
Yes, good posture improves confidence while speaking.
I feel confident at home but not outside.
Practice outside gradually to build real confidence.
How do I avoid overthinking?
Focus on communication, not perfection.
Should I use simple words?
Simple words spoken confidently are powerful.
Can confidence change my fluency speed?
Yes, confident speakers speak more smoothly.
How do I stay motivated?
Remember your progress and goals.
Is daily practice really important?
Daily practice builds long-term confidence.
How do I speak confidently in social situations?
Prepare small talk topics in advance.
What should beginners focus on?
Focus on speaking regularly without fear.
I want to sound confident in professional settings.
Practice formal phrases and clear pronunciation. How do I react if I forget words? Stay calm and explain your idea differently.
Does confidence affect listening?
Yes, confident speakers listen more attentively.
How do I build confidence quickly?
Speak every day and accept mistakes.
Should I join speaking groups?
Yes, group practice boosts confidence.
How do I speak confidently with native speakers?
Speak naturally and don't apologize too much.
Is confidence visible to others?
Yes, people can hear confidence in your voice.
How do I speak confidently in public places?
Start with short interactions like ordering food.
Does confidence come with fluency?
Confidence often comes before fluency.
How do I keep improving?
Keep practicing and challenging yourself.
I want to express my feelings confidently.
Use simple emotional words and speak honestly.
How do I sound less nervous?
Slow down and speak clearly.
Is confidence important in English learning?
Yes, confidence accelerates learning.
Can mistakes destroy confidence?
No, mistakes help build stronger confidence.
How do I start conversations confidently?
Begin with friendly greetings and questions.
Should I practice mirror speaking?
Yes, it improves self-confidence.
Does confidence help memory?
Yes, relaxed speakers remember words better.
How do I stay confident long term?
Keep practicing and celebrating small wins.
Can confidence change my English journey?
Absolutely, confidence changes everything.
What is the biggest confidence tip?
Speak without fear of mistakes.
How do I enjoy speaking English?
Enjoy communication, not perfection.
Does confidence improve clarity?
Yes, confident speakers sound clearer.
How do I stay positive while learning?
Focus on progress, not problems.
Can confidence help career growth?
Yes, confident English opens many opportunities.
How do I speak confidently during presentations?
Practice, prepare, and breathe.
Is confidence a daily habit?
Yes, confidence grows with daily practice.
How do I sound confident even when unsure?
Speak calmly and clearly.
Does confidence affect pronunciation mistakes?
Confidence reduces tension and improves pronunciation.
How do I keep practicing alone?
Talk to yourself and record your voice.
Is confidence more important than speed?
Yes, clear, confident speech matters more.
I want English to feel natural.
Confidence makes language feel natural.
How do I overcome fear permanently?
Speak daily and accept mistakes.
Can confidence change my personality?
It helps you express yourself better.
How do I speak confidently anywhere?
Trust yourself and speak clearly.
Does confidence grow with experience?
Yes, every conversation builds confidence.
How do I feel proud of my English?
Recognize how far you've come.
Can confidence inspire others?
Yes, confident speakers inspire confidence.
How do I make English part of my life?
Use English daily in real situations.
What is the final key to confidence?
Practice consistently and believe in yourself.
Thank you, Daniel. I feel more confident already.
You're welcome. Emma, confidence comes from speaking, so keep going.